Hi, this is Darla DeMauro from Heartwork Organizing. You may think of me as your favorite professional organizer, and I really appreciate that. But I got into organizing to help people become their most amazing selves, whether it came to their wardrobe or their file folders or managing their finances. We're about to launch a brand new money management course that my followers have been itching to get their hands on for months. But before we do, my team and I wanted to make sure that it's exactly what you expect. So we're making a mini course available to you right now. Even better, this mini course is yours free. Free for the asking. Just click. This organizing mini course is going to walk you through 5 important steps to managing your money. Now, I know there may be some reasons for you not to click. Hear me out. Maybe you've already taken some sort of money management course before. Clients hire me to help them with these topics every week. Maybe you'll wonder if you're going to have time to complete it. Each of these 5 mini lessons takes less than 30 minutes, sometimes way less. Maybe you're afraid the course is going to be too complex. It's 3rd grade math. I promise you can do this. Maybe you're afraid it's going to be too techy. All you need is a pencil and 3 pieces of paper. There's no catch to this mini course, unless of course you consider giving up your email as a catch. But heads up, if you're getting this video from me, I probably have your email already. You've probably already given it to me. I hope that you find the weekly articles and the monthly newsletters that we send out really valuable. But, they're not for everybody. So if you need to unsubscribe, I completely respect that. But if you've got your organizing your money routine all figured out, but maybe you know somebody else who could use some help with organizing their money, feel free to forward this email to them and encourage them to take advantage of this free mini course. I've made it for you. It's valuable, and I want you to get the value out of it. So it's ready for you now. Click here and start learning to organize your money better.